Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Alcoholic Karen Gets Karma After Harassing Neighborhood Children by Crime Time Cam.
Fine. Go ahead and stand on the side of the road. We don't need to stand in the roadway.
I guess that makes sense.
What's going on tonight?
Their neighbor's crazy and drunk.
She keeps coming out because of the incident what she did.
I live right here. She was playing right here. I think we've met you before, right?
That's
Did you come out and investigate? Okay, I think you came and interviewed the girls actually. But anyways, I was out with Alex. I wasn't out with Alex. Cole was out with Alex and Aidan, my 11-year-old.
You're right.
They were a couple, they were over here. She thought she was alone. She grabbed my granddaughter and tried to drag her into the house because she was worried about her. She's so drunk. She scared the crap out of my 7-year-old.
So drunk she came out.
She fell over.
right there.
She peed her pants a little while ago. Like, it's bad.
Okay.
So Alex came running home. We came out. The cops showed up. I don't know who it was. I explained the situation. He said, have a great day, and left. We have since then keeping a closer eye because she's wanted to go a little further and a little further. But now she's coming out drunk. She's tried to grab her a second time. She's come after us. She has decided we can't live in town anymore because we're not nice enough people. I mean, she's being ridiculous. I don't know what else. I'm literally out here with them. He's 17, he's 15. These kids are supervised, and yet she told me she's going to call the police every single day. Anytime she has seen my kids, she's going to call the police on me, she said. Because I should be standing next to him. He's 11 years old and bigger than I am, but I should stand next to him when he rides his bike, I guess.
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
All right. Well, I will go address this with her.
Thank you.
I enjoy sex.
I'd have been like, shut your ass up.
We met with the sheriff's department, so you know I'm aware about it. Came everything's video and audio recorded.
I know. Can I?
What's going on?
Those fucking kids.
I want you
I'll
to tell me
ignore
what's
it.
going on. You haven't told me anything.
I'm just telling you, I would ignore it.
That's a good idea.
Really?
If they're out here in the public place, they have
Do
the
you
ability
want
to do
me
that.
to ignore that child? Really?
Yep.
Okay.
If they're out here playing, let them be out here playing.
No.
Yeah, I hate people like this, bro.
Seriously, that child. Sure.
She can't even get her
Why
words
would I
together.
lie to you? Seriously.
The
say,
point is you need
why
to go
would
in
you
and sleep
say
it off.
that I did it right now?
That you did
Why
what?
would you say?
Why would I say what?
You're just telling me that goddamn he's sitting right there staring at me.
Okay.
Do you honestly think? Seriously. Do you honestly think that he's sitting there staring at me because he wants to? Or do you seriously, he's staring at me right now?
Okay.
Seriously, look at him.
This lady got a problem. She need help.
He's in a public place. He can do what he wants.
The
Hello.
point is he staring at me?
Then go inside.
And he is
Take a
causing
step back
issues.
from me.
Really, you want to? Come on. What? There's one, and there's one. Shoot me.
Go inside and
I
sober up.
dare you.
Take a step back.
Dare me.
Take a step back.
Do
from
it.
me.
Do it.
Take a step back from me.
Do it.
Make that 5 minutes.
Can you please get those knockers out of our face, please?
And start.
Do it.
Go inside and sober up.
Do it. He is standing
No, you got to do it.
there. Seriously.
Go
He is
inside.
standing there.
Okay, he's in a public place. He's allowed to
He
stand there.
is standing there telling me he's gonna do something to me. Are you gonna stay here after he leaves?
Probably to make sure you don't
No,
come out
are
here
you
causing a
gonna
problem.
stay here after
Stop yelling.
you leave?
Well, if I leave, then I'm not staying here because that's what the definition of leaving.
Well,
She a dumbass.
Okay.
Go inside and
he's
sober up.
not staying here.
Go inside and sober up.
I don't have to,
This cop is so patient.
because that child is still getting abused.
Go inside and sober up.
That child is still getting
Take a step back from
abused. That child is still getting abused.
Take a step back.
Are you doing anything about that child getting abused?
Take a step
Are
back.
you
If you take one more
still
step towards me,
getting
you're going in handcuffs.
are you still getting
Go go inside.
No. No. Are you still getting that he's standing right there? Would
Do
you
not touch
turn
me.
around? Turn around.
not touch me.
Is this?
Put your hands behind your back.
She a dumbass.
Are you gonna?
She acts like more of a child than they do.
Come this way.
Hey, don't! Stop! You
Long thing.
stop!
They laughing. See, them kids not bad like how we was back in the day, because I would have said, thank you for taking out the neighborhood trash.
Those were the issues. And I need a lawyer against him now. There ain't no reason why you got me in handcuffs.
No, there's plenty of reasons.
No, there's none.
Okay.
There's no reason you have me in. Seriously, none.
Okay.
Would you get me a lawyer, please? Thank you.
Get you a what?
Lawyer, please, thank you.
I couldn't hear what you. A what?
Would you get me a lawyer?
A lawyer?
Please, thank you.
Okay. I can't give you a lawyer, but you have
No,
the right to
give me a fucking lawyer.
She does not know how the law works, does she?
And get these souls
Ma'am,
out of my goddamn face. Because I swear to God,
Stop.
I
Stop.
swear to God,
You're gonna do what?
if you don't get them
What?
out of my face,
Or what?
then we have issues.
Okay. You have the issue.
I
don't
have to
the issue.
live here.
Okay.
I have to live here.
You're the one with the issue
I
right now,
have
not
to
them.
live here. I have to live here.
Okay.
Get me the goddamn lawyer now.
No, I'm not going to give you
Give
a
me
lawyer.
the lawyer now.
No, ma'am. I'm not going to give you a
Then
lawyer. You have
get-
the right to a lawyer, but I'm
I
not gonna give you
give
one.
me a lawyer now.
I'm not going to give you a lawyer.
Give me a lawyer now. Would you please video this
This is-
now?
You got 3 body cameras
Would you
on right
please video this now?
now. Again, I'm going to tell you, we all got body cameras going.
Okay. Then here we go. Tell them it will all be on video cam.
It's all on video, right?
I need to get up.
No, you need to
Would
sit
you
still.
walk me
I know that shit is uncomfortable. I know that.
to my house?
No, you're going to sit still.
Well, then you
Nope.
need to let me up.
You're going to sit still.
Let me up.
No.
Tina,
Let me
You're
up.
going to wait for the ambulance.
Let me up. I have to pee.
Nope.
Let me up.
You're gonna
I
sit
have
still.
to pee.
We're gonna
Let
the
me
ambulance
up.
will help
I
you out.
have to pee.
Yep, the ambulance will help you out.
Let me up.
gonna sit still
I
for
have
right now,
to
okay?
pee. I
Just
seriously,
sit still.
All you gotta do is sit on the ground and just let it go through your pants.
seriously, I have to pee. Are you gonna push me down, bitch?
that's rude.
You're not being very nice.
No.
His name's Deputy Metzler.
What? He never told me his name.
Okay,
but
well,
I gotta
did, so
sit up.
We cannot refer to people with rude.
I have to sit up. I have to pee. No,
Stand up.
I go to Chrissy. I don't go to
Oh,
Carl.
Christie's.
Stop!
Put your leg
Don't
out.
touch me!
Put your leg out.
Don't
Put your leg out.
touch me!
Put your leg out.
Don't touch me!
Or what?
Step out.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Okay. Grab her legs together.
No!
And we'll walk her from behind.
No! Ow! 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 God damn it! Ow! Ow!
Well, that's what happens when you don't want to walk.
Ow! Ow!
She sound like she smoked about 5 packs of cigarettes a day.
God damn it! Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! Stop! Ow! Stop! Ow!
Stop.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
What is owling about?
Stop! You're hurting my arm! Stop!
Stop.
Stop! You're hurting my arm! Stop! No, stop! Stop! Get off me! Ow! Get off my arms, you bitch!
Tina,
Get
we're trying to
off
talk
me
to you.
now! No! Out! Out! My arms hurt horribly! Get off! Get off! Ow! Get off me! Get off me! Stop!
Now.
Get off me! Stop! Stop!
Hey,
Get off me!
Tina,
Stop!
stop.
No! Get them off my arms! They hurt! Ow!
Okay.
Ow!
Listen.
Look at my arms!
I will.
Ow! Look at my arms! They hurt!
I never want to be this drunk.
Ow! Look at my arms. Look at my arms. They hurt.
Gently.
Get them off my arms. Get them off my arms.
Help her up from behind.
Get them off my arms. I'm taking you to court.
We'll get you a 5. We'll get your information 1 second. You don't get her.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Hold on, what is she charged with? Let's see. What are they gonna
The
say?
woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.